Welcome back. You're watching Metro Morning with me, Nivedna Prabhu. As far as what's going to be transpiring in the national capital today, because the BJP-led Delhi government is set to table 14 pending CAG reports. Now, according to BJP MLAs, the reports will be presented today. BJP, remember, has alleged that the reports were withheld by the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, the pending CAG audits include reviews of state finances, public health infrastructure, vehicular air pollution, liquor regulation, and the functioning of the Delhi Transport Corporation, among others. Now, half of the reports have been pending for over 500 days.
कैमरा घुमाइए, लगे हुए ना चित्र, दोनों चित्र लगे हुए, फिर किस बात का हल्ला है? प्रश्न ये है कि आप राजनीति अगर कर रहे हैं तो ये ठीक नहीं है, ये सर्वथा निंदनीय है। बधाई प्रस्ताव पर बात करने के लिए आप कुछ समय दिया जा रहा था, आप अपने ही सदस्य को नहीं बोलने दे रहे थे, तो इससे
Today is day 1 in the house, and those people are talking about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji. Delhi Assembly used to be most august house in the country and the best debating forum in legislative all over the country. Since last 11 years, जिन लोगों ने बाबा साहब के सपनों को तार-तार कर दिया हो, मेंबर्स को क्वेश्चन पूछने का हक ना दिया हो, प्राइवेट मेंबर डे खत्म कर दिया हो, कुछ नहीं है। इनका केवल डर है कि सीएजी की रिपोर्ट आएगी, उसके अंदर इनका भ्रष्टाचार उजागर होगा।
जिस व्यक्ति की राजनीति कैग रिपोर्ट के आधार पर शुरू हुई थी, उनका नाम है अरविंद केजरीवाल और पार्टी का नाम है आम आदमी पार्टी। वो स्वयं अपनी जवाबदेही से भागते रहे, न जनता को जवाब दिया, न मीडिया को दिया, और जब कैग की रिपोर्ट आई तो विधानसभा में भी जवाब देने से भागते रहे। अब जनता ने उनको बाहर का रास्ता कर दिया है, हरा दिया है, और अब हमारा ये दायित्व बनता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की चुनी हुई सरकार उस कैग रिपोर्ट को विधानसभा में लाए, उस पर चर्चा कराए और देश की जनता के सामने केजरीवाल जी के भ्रष्टाचार को बाहर लेकर आए।
जिन्होंने जनता के पैसे का मजाक उड़ाया है, शीश महल बनाया है, तो ऐसे शीश महल को तो जनता तोड़ेगी ही। और सीएजी की रिपोर्ट के बाद में पहले जनता ने बेआबरू किया है, अब सीएजी की रिपोर्ट आने के बाद कानूनी रूप से भी वो बेआबरू हो जाएंगे।
Kritika Tiwari, my colleague, joins me for more. Kritika, very good morning. Given the fact that this wasn't expected lines, and moreover, there will be a lot that's on the table, but the center focus here will remain the CAG report.
Well, absolutely. Today, first, the House will commence with an address by the Delhi LG, and post this, we can expect the 14 CAG reports to be tabled in the Legislative Assembly. Now, remember, it is quite possible that a few of the reports will be tabled, or it might be tabled in parts. What we're expecting is, in fact, policies related to reports related to vehicular pollution, and pollution could also see the light of day. There are charges on how there have been, in fact, inadequacies in the type of pollution under control certificates that have been distributed, and the frequency of them as well. Questions can also be raised on the placement of multiple continuous ambient air quality monitoring stations. This has also last year been a point of discussion over whether or not all the stations are placed adequately in order to gauge the amount of PM 2.5, or whether it is in, say, a largely green area. Other reports also that can be that have in fact been the back of the allegations that the Bharatiya Janata Party has levelled on the Aam Aadmi Party are the liquor policy linked excise policy regulations. There is also in fact the CAG reports that have come out on the renovations and the extent of renovations on the former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's former residence at the Six Flagstaff Road. Accounts till 2022 that the BJP had earlier told the media about range to about 33 crores. Now, by BJP's estimates that said that if the CAG reports of 2024 are also to be believed, the renovations, the amount of renovations run anywhere up till 80 crores. And this is something that, remember, the Bharatiya Janata Party will raking up again and again because it is one of their key, in fact, campaign issues as well that was being raised right, in fact, from October itself. So definitely with Parvesh Verma now being the PWD minister, we can expect the entire controversy around the former residence of Arvind Kejriwal to also be raked up and find a place in the CAG reports that are tabled today. More than that, there are also reports on the financial mismanagement, alleged financial mismanagement as far as the construction of infrastructural projects such as flyovers and bypasses concerned. Earlier, we'd seen just before election, former Chief Minister Atish Sher also flagged off a couple of flyovers as well, one near Moti Bagh as well. This was, in fact, she had claimed that this is being done much before time and in under a budget. But what the BJP has been alleging is how multiple projects have been stalled and work has not proceeded, though the accounts for which are also shoddy. So this is the opportunity wherein the CAG reports will be tabled, and we can also expect the Aam Aadmi Party to hit back, because remember, this is just an accounts that will be shown. Later, a public accounts committee can also be set up to independently look into these charges. However, there are multiple agencies that are looking into different facets of the alleged corruption charges that the Bharatiya Janata Party has already made. So today, definitely, right on the second day of this three-day assembly session, we can expect a stormy session yet again in the parliament, yet again in the assembly. Yesterday as well, we had seen the Aam Aadmi Party rake up the issue of the delay in disbursal of 2,500 rupee cash transfer to the women of Delhi, which was a key electoral promise made by the Bharatiya Janata Party in the run-up to the elections. What had been later a major controversy that had broken out was, in fact, the furor over the repositioning of the pictures of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar as well as that of Shahid Bhagat Singh. Over to you, Nivedna.
Right, Kritika. In fact, you have put that into perspective, and we'll keep coming back to you as you keep us ahead with what will be the outcome of that, because in a nutshell, it is going to be a fiery session, of course. But continue to stay with me, because